My dear friends, in today's class, I am going to tell you about the basic principles of Pitman Shorthand. There are 40 sounds in Pitman Shorthand. These 40 sounds are classified as consonants, second, vowels, and third classification is diphthongs. In consonants, there are 20 sounds. In vowels, there are 12 sounds, and in diphthongs, there are 4 sounds. So, altogether, 40 sounds. And these 40 sounds are known as basic principles of Pitman Shorthand. If you study these 40 sounds, then you can go further easily to attain a particular speed in Pitman Shorthand. Now, I'm going to teach you about the consonants, the definition, and the signs as well as their positions. First, I will take consonants. According to Professor Sweet, Sweet, according to Professor Sweet, the definition of consonant is consonants are the results of audible friction, that is, stopping of the breath in some parts of the mouth or throat, that is, stopping of the breath in some parts of the mouth or throat. For example, if you want to say P, the pronunciation or the sound or the voice immediately stops inside the mouth or throat. We are not pronouncing that as P. P. Immediately the voice stops in somewhere in the mouth or throat. That is the definition of consonant. I told you that there are 24 consonants. First, I will take about the 24 consonants. These 24 consonants are classified into 3 groups. One is straight consonants, second is curved consonants, or it is also known as curves, and the third is horizontal consonants. Why we are telling that they are straight consonants? Because these consonants are written only by straight lines. For example, these are known as lines. So these 6 consonants are known as straight consonants because they are represented by lines. The second is curves. Why they are known as curves? They are represented by writing only in the shape of a curve. For example, this is a curve, or this is a curve, or this is a curve. So these are the curves. So that is why they are known as curves. And horizontal means these consonants or the signs of these consonants are written in the forward or horizontal way, that is in the forward direction. The first set is in the downward direction, curves are in the curve shape, and horizontal means there is no further explanation is required in the case of horizontal because they are written in the forward direction. First, I will take only straight consonants. So I will go stage by stage so that you can easily remember. So out of 24 consonants, 6 consonants are known as straight consonants. Straight consonants. 6 consonants are known as straight consonants. And they are, first is P, second is B, third one is T, fourth one is D, fifth one is Ch, and the last one is J. These 6 sounds, or they are known as consonants, sounds. While pronouncing, we are not pronouncing it as P, P, B, B, T, T, D, D, J, and J. We are not using in a lengthy way, or we are not expanding that particular sound. We are stopping immediately. That is the meaning of consonant. That is definition. So here, P and T, one category, and J, and so there are P1, B, T, D, J, and J. I will write you the first. I will write the sign. Then I will tell you what is the this one difference between P and T and D, etc. So in a ruled book, so this is the line. So these are the 2 lines, or subsequent lines are there. If you write a small downstroke, that is light downstroke, here the angle is between 45 and 60. This angle must be 45 and 60, and it is a light sign, not heavy sign. That means P consonant is a light sound, and whenever there is a light sound, that is to be represented by a light sign. And here the angle is between 45 and 60 degrees. Same sign, if you write dark, that is heavy, dark, this represents B. So P and B, same sign, but the difference is P is a light sign, B is a heavy sign. Even while pronouncing these 2 sounds, the first one is light, P. Second one is B, that is heavy. So whenever there is a heavy pronunciation, you should remember that it is a heavy sign, and it is to be written in the dark line. Then T and D. T, it is a light straight, here angle exactly 90 degree. It is a light stroke, light consonant, and same sign. If you write in dark straight, it represents D. So this is D, this is T, P, and B. Here the angle also same thing, exactly 90 degree, exactly 90 degree. The next 2 are J and J. J on the opposite side of P, if you write here angle is between 45 and 60, then same sign if you write in dark, it represents J. So I wrote 6 signs, PB, TD, JJ. Here P and B comes under one group, T and D another group, J and J another group. Why I am referring to group means for both the sounds, sign is same, but difference is in thickness. One is light, one is heavy, one is light, heavy, one is light and heavy. Then, after writing these signs, we have to remember certain rules. That is, the 6 consonants or the 6 sounds are to be written always in the downward direction, not upward direction. So, if you write like this, P, it is wrong. You have to write downward direction. Always remember the consonants are to be written in the downward direction, especially in the case of straight 6 strokes, that is 6 consonants, straight consonants. Second one is all the consonants must rest on the line, not above the line or through the line. So suppose if you write like this, it is wrong. Or suppose if you write like this above the line, it is also wrong. It is to be rest. All the 6 consonants must rest on the line, not above the line, or not below the line, or not through the line, always on the line. The next rule is, what about the length of the stroke or length of the consonant? Not only in this case, in the case of all the 24 consonants, the length of each consonant is 1/6 of an inch. 1/6 of an inch. That is, if you divide 1 inch in 6 parts, that is 1/6. For theory purpose, we are referring only 1/6 of an inch. I'll, I will show you how to write. So these are the 2 lines. Leave some space at the top, write P, B, T, D, Sh, and J. And all these are written in the downward direction, and in the case of these 6 consonants, we have to remember the angle, that is between 45 and 60 degrees. So this is about the first 6 consonants. They are known as straight consonants.